Well, hello everybody and welcome to another Happy Travellers vlog. I just thought I'd give you a little update on how we are getting on with our off-grid, or without being plugged in to the electric hookup situation. It's beautifully sunny here down in southern Spain, and we've got the solar panel that came with the van on the roof, and that comes through the Sergeant control unit. There in the back of there's a solar charge controller, but we've also got the solar panel, the portable solar panel outside, that's well, the sun comes up over that way and travels right across, so it goes right across the side of the van. So I'll keep it down on the floor there, and you've seen that in a couple of videos ago, and I sort of redirect it towards the sun as the days goes by. And we're living quite well, completely off grid, off of the electric hookup. We've got our little inverter. It's a 1500 watt inverter going. Currently I've got my laptop plugged in, charging up, and that's a MacBook Pro laptop plugged in. We've got this Hoover, the little Dyson vacuum cleaner, plugged in, charging up, and we're running the induction hob because Wendy, well, yesterday my brother arrived, brother and sister-in-law John and Ginny came over because they live quite close to where we are, and they bought us stuff like this off their tree: lemons, oranges and grapefruits, a whole carrier bag full. So Wendy's decided that today she's going to make some lovely lemon curd, and she uses butter, sugar. I'm looking at Wendy confirming the ingredient: butter, sugar, lemon juice, and the zest of the lemon. That is the thin scraping of the lemon skin.
And 2 eggs.
Oh, 2 eggs as well. Right, so it's quite it's quite a lot. I didn't know there was that much in there. I didn't know the eggs. So I have just juiced the lemon, so got all the juice out of the lemons as much as I could. And we don't have a lemon juicer, so I cut them in half.
Yeah.
Down that way, and then rather adventurously hold the half a lemon in that and stick a knife in and sort of really give it a good going around, and all the juice comes out, and then because all the pulp drops out in there as well, and then I just run that through a sieve and sort of squash it in with a spoon to really get all the juice out. Quite a bit of juice out of 2 lemons. And let's just show you Wendy making the lemon curd.
So I put.
So this is this is the induction hob. I'm not worried about touching some of that because it doesn't get hot. It actually magnetically makes the pan hot. And then Wendy's got the eggs beating up here. So now you're going to explain what you're doing.
Well, I get the recipe from the BBC Good Food website, and I've always used this recipe for lemon curd. So you just need first of all, you put 100 grams of sugar, 25 grams of butter, the zest of 2 lemons and the juice of 2 lemons over a pan of boiling water. Like, see, I've got this metal bowl there, and I just put that in there, and then when it all melts, the butter melts and the sugar dissolves, I'm just beating up the 2 eggs, and I'm going to put them in there and then stir it, and it takes stir on and off for about 10 minutes until it thickens, and then I'll let it cool slightly and put it in some jars. It's so simple. And I tell you, you can get really nice lemons. They're so juicy and they're gorgeous. We've in fact been eating them raw because they taste so nice. Right, so I'm just going to put this.
What I noticed while Wendy was telling you that, I noticed that the induction hob had gone off. So I put it back on to 400 watts. So you can adjust the induction hob, which is running through the inverter off the batteries.
In fact, I might put it for 2 because I don't need it very high.
So you can run that from, where does it go down to?
Will it go any more down?
Goes down to 200 watts up to 2000 watts. So, you know, down at 200 watts is not sucking too much out the batteries. And I've got all that other stuff running as well, but all the lovely sunshine has really boosted the batteries up. They were over 13 volts. Let me just check. Yeah, so they were started off at 13 volts. It's now reading down at and it depends on what's happening with all the stuff, but it's a false reading really, because while the batteries are being sucked of power, the meters don't know quite how to deal with it, so they go anywhere from 12.4 down to 11.6, and it keeps jumping up and down. So when we've done all that, when we switch it off, I would expect those to be down to about 12.4, so you know, 50% of charge, or essentially flat. But the solar power, when we've done that for a few minutes, will boost those batteries back up this afternoon, so they'll be good to go. And I'm absolutely confident that those meters up there in the Sergeant unit, because of the way we've everything configured at the moment, I don't think they're correct at all. I mean, it says we're getting 2 amps into the batteries, but that's simply from the roof, flat on the roof, solar panel. So we must have at least another 2 amps. So we've got 4 amps going in, and we've got 3.6 coming out. So I think the way that works, you know, if we've got 4 amps going in and 3.6? 3, yeah, anywhere above, somewhere above 3, 3.5 amps coming out, we're actually putting power in while we're using all that. So it's a bit weird how it all works, but you know, the batteries are holding up well, and we've been here since Thursday. We weren't plugged into, we haven't been plugged into electric for over a week.
Since the 14th of
Since the 14th of February, and it's now.
Oh no, because we were plugged in at Benesol.
Oh, we were plugged into Benesol for a couple of days.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
right.
so
apart from that,
yeah. So we haven't been plugged into electric for probably at least a week, have we?
No,
Since
not
we
at all.
don't-
No.
So we haven't been plugged
Done all
into
the
electric
cooking
for a
and
week,
everything we want.
and we're happily using the induction hob, charging up everything, all the phones. The sunshine's really working well. And only over the last couple of days have I had the portable solar panel out to give that boost. So it's as expected. Living off grid down in the southern part of Spain, much easier than in the northern part of England, because of the amount of sunshine you get. So there you go. Anyway, a little bit of an update. It's the lemon curd.
Nearly thickened up now.
Lemon curd electric update. Oh yeah, let's give you a little view of that
Getting nice and
before
thick.
you go. That looks all curdy.
It's thickening up. Yeah, I love it.
It takes a long time. It's a bit of a labour of love, isn't it?
Yes, it is. But it's a soothing kind of job. Just zesting the lemons and that. It's nice. It's nice. It's calming. Yeah.
It is. So there you go. I hope you've enjoyed our little update. Electricity and lemon curd, all in the same video. If you have enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to continue following our journey as we travel around the UK and Europe, living full time in this, our motorhome. We'll see you again next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your comments.